Let's see how I turn this wild land into a Tanks 20 shed today. Installing the doors, the trim, and giving this shed its finished look. The first trouble I met was the window size. I designed 36x 36-inch windows, so I framed the opening exactly 36x36. I didn't realize I needed extra space to fit it in. Lesson learned, always frame slightly larger than the window. With the size fixed, waterproofing is key. First, I apply flashing tape at the bottom. Put the window on and level it. Then I add another layer of tape on the outside. Leave the bottom without tape. This makes sure any trapped water can leave. You don't want moisture stuck inside rotting your frame. Now here comes my second mistake. I used non-pressure treated wood for the window frame. That's not a good idea for areas exposed to moisture, as regular wood can rot over time. Mistakes are part of the learning process. No worries, let's keep going and finish the trim. Time for interior design. After cleaning all the dust, I put a rubber flooring in the shed. It's durable and super easy to clean. This partial coverage saves money while protecting my main workspace. I also designed a side door for easier access. Having an extra entrance makes accessing my tools so much more efficient. The last piece, the double barn door. It's very difficult to put them in place and make any adjustments by yourself. The moment those doors closed together, I realized my 10x20 shed is officially done. Don't go away! For my next project, I'm building a 10x12 super chicken coop. It features rainwater collection, an automatic watering system, and an egg drop collect system. There are many other unique designs inside, specifically made for lazy chicken keeping. If you want to see how this high-tech COOP comes to life, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next series.